How to reverse money on Standard Bank app. Now, before doing so on the process, this process is generally available for debit orders below a certain amount in some cases. And then electronic funds transfer payments are typically final and cannot be reversed, though you can request the bank to try reverse the payment with the recipient's authorization. Airtime transactions cannot be reversed, so ensure that you've entered the correct number before confirming. So first things first, open up the Standard Bank app and log in. Go directly to Manage Debit Orders and find the More tab or More option in the bottom navigation area and select Manage Debit Orders. Now select Reverse the Debit Order and then choose this option to initiate the reversal process. Choose the account and select the account where the debit order took place. Select the debit order and choose the specific debit order you want to reverse. Confirm the reversal, click reverse, and provide the reason for reversing. Now, next thing to do is accept the terms and conditions, read and accept the terms and conditions before confirming, and then just simply complete the process to follow any further instructions on the app, and then to finalize the reverse. And that's it. That's how you reverse the money on Standard Bank app.